Hey everyone, you want to make some simple animations like this on CapCut? Or you may want to use them on your videos like this. This is with, and you're watching Making Animations in CapCut video. I'm here to show you how to do that in 2 videos. But first, subscribe my channel and like this video. Don't forget to leave me a comment so I could get what video do you want me to make for you. Okay, so you add a new project and then you can choose a photo here and increase the time in the timeline to about a minute or something. It doesn't matter because we can trim and delete the extra part after we finished our project. So this is good. I think now go to in the toolbar, you go to text and stickers and type line and search for line here. I think I like this one. I need 2, so after that increase the time of the line, I mean both lines. So that's it. Now again go to stickers and type pointer. That's good for now, and I think the size is okay. I put it here, push the cancel button and increase the time to the end. Okay, now you change the place of the lines. Okay, that's good for now. Now go to stickers again and type a rectangle. I'm happy with this one. All right, I rotate it and change the size, and now I duplicate it. But before that, I increase the time of the layer to the end and then duplicate it. Now I change the place. I move it here. That's good. Now I want to move the rectangles to the center of the in y-axis. I mean in the center of the line. So I first of all I choose first line and go to basic in toolbar, and I look at the y-axis, which is 102. So I go to the rectangle and put the y-axis to 102. That's good for now. Okay, now I think I can resize the pointer. I'm happy with it. Okay, again I get back to the stickers and type, this time I'll type circle, search for it. I need 2 circles. This is the first one and this is the second one for now. Okay, I tap on cancel. So first of all I change its place. I move it here and resize it. I think, yeah, that's good. Or not, this is big, this is good. So I go to basic, look at the, I mean scale, this is 6% and the position is -720. Okay, so for this one I go to basic and -720 for x-axis. This one again basic 756, and I select this one 756, and the scale, yeah, that's it. Now increase the time of both circles to the end of the timeline. Okay, I think I need about 5 circles, so I duplicate it again, this one again, this one, this one. So we have here I think 3 circles, 1 and this one. So again duplicate this one, this one. So that's it. I'll tell you why. So first of all, you should see the in the basic, you should see the axis of the first circle. The position is, I mean the y-axis 756. So I put 756 for every circle that I've got here. Okay, that's it. So we go to the last circle. Okay, so I go to the last circle. I put the x-axis. I change it to the number that I want, and I think this could be good. And I do this. I mean 720 for the next circle. So I change the other circles places and put them wherever I want. I look at the number of x-axis and change the others places. Okay, now I want to add a text here, say character. Yeah, that's it. That would be great for here. So I put it here, and then I add some text with numbers. So here we increase the time in the timeline of all of the layers, which is so important here. So number 1, I duplicate it, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So number 5, I change the number to 5. Next one, number 4. Next one, number 3. And number 2. So here I should move the texts. So I select them one by one. I go to basic in timeline and change the places, just x-axis, because we want them all to be in one row, so we shouldn't change the y-axis. And we do it for the next ones. Okay, that's good for now, and you can go to Google or any application that gives you video or GIFs or photos. So search for man walking animation or something like this, and download some pictures. And after that, as we will see here, we will change them or convert them, the GIFs, to movies. So we take back, and now new project. I download them before, so we have this one. I add it to the project. I make it around, I don't know, 30 seconds or more, it doesn't matter, and export it. And I do it for next ones. And we go to the project. So from the beginning I add text, and I want to write speed and size. I think this is good, and increase the time of the layer to the end. And I duplicate it and change it to size. Now I go to basic and increase the y-axis number so it goes up, and that's good for now. Alright, now I go to the first part of the project. I add an overlay, go to the video tab, and I need this one for here. Alright, so I go to remove background, chroma key. I tap on color picker. I choose the white color, which is for the background, and intensity. I increase the intensity. I put it on 1, and the shadow to the end. And now I want to resize it, so I think this could be alright. Look at it. Alright, now I want to as you can see with this small circle here, I want to move the mouse pointer to the number 2 and click on it and change the video here. And so for that I go to text and see the pointer layer. After 3 seconds I put add a keyframe. After a half second I put another keyframe and I change its place. So I go to number 2 and the circle I put it here. And after a half a second I put another keyframe and change the pointer place to here. Alright, and now in the second keyframe that the pointer clicked on number 2, we had a keyframe, so I click on that keyframe so the playhead goes on it. I get back in toolbar, go to overlay, tap on the drummers layer, and I tap on split. So I delete the others, add another overlay video, which could be this one, I think. So I add it, and then go to remove background, chroma key, choose the color picker, go to the background color, intensity to number 1, shadow to the end, and that's it. So I want to move it to its right place, so I do this. I think it should be here, but a little shorter, or this one could be better, I think. Yeah, that's good. Okay, I put the layer to its place or here. So look what happened. Look at the pointer goes up. Okay, for the next one I want to make the pointer click a little slower. So here I think that would be great. So I go to the text on the toolbar. I should find the pointer layer. This is the pointer layer. So I click on the keyframe, and a little after that another keyframe. I move the mouse to number 3. A little after that another keyframe. So here the mouse the pointer clicked on number 3, and after that it goes down. So we have a new keyframe here. So let's check it out. Alright, that's good. I'm happy with this one more than the first one. So at this keyframe we said that the pointer clicked on number 3. So here we go to overlay, split this part, delete it, add overlay. We should add another person, so this one added. Again, remove background, chroma key, color picker, intensity number. This is good, I think. Shadow to the end, and now we put it here so we can see where it should be. I think this is good, but we should resize it. That's it. Now we put it at the end of the last layer. So that's it. I think here is good for next click and changing the character. So now you know the basics of how to make animations using CapCut. Thanks for watching. This is Starting With, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video if you liked it. Like always, I wish you the best and peace together.